How often should smoke detector batteries be changed? Here is the list of the options. First option is once a month, second option is once a year, the third option is twice a year, and the last option is every 10 years. So which one is the correct answer for the question? Well, the correct answer for the question is twice a year. So that's the answer for the question. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friends, just go ahead, click the share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again in another video. Bye bye.